the last video in this series, we created a form with a success message. However, if you try to submit the form without completing all the required fields, it just reloads, and this isn't very friendly. We can use Perch Forms to create clear error states for our form. I have an HTML document showing my desired error states. If a field isn't correctly completed, I'll show a message, and also add a class to the container for that label and field pair to highlight it. Go back to your template contactform.html. I'm first going to add my messages if a field isn't completed. I can add a general error at the top of the form, which will display if any error state happens. I'm using a template tag here so the content editor can create their own message, just like the success message we created in the last video. Now below each field I add a Perch error tag wrapping my message. The attributes for Perch error are for, with a value of the ID of the required field, and type, in this case, required. I can also add a second tag for the email field to detect when it has been completed, but not with a valid email address. In this case, I set the value of type to format. Now go to your form and try to submit it without completing it, and the errors will show. So that deals with the error messaging, but what about the extra class? Well, you can use these Perch error tags anywhere, and you can use them multiple times if you want to. So I simply use them to wrap the class for each field. Once again, remember to submit the form in admin to update the template cache, and then try and submit the form empty or with some missing field, and you'll see how the class has now been added, highlighting the problem area.